Are you tired of manually collecting and transferring website feedback and bug reports from your customers into your Jira account? Well, I got some good news for you. With the help of FeedBucket and our two-way integration with Jira, you can easily get website feedback and bug reports directly into Jira and without giving your customers access to your account. Let me show you how. Installing FeedBucket is as easy as adding a script tag to your website. Once you've added this script tag, you will see that you're going to get this toolbar out to your right here. So let's submit feedback using screenshot. So as a client, without installing any extension or anything, I can directly here on the website, let's draw an arrow and let's say here that missing image, the image is broken, and hit submit. So if we now look inside of Jira, we can see that the feedback that I just submitted has landed in the to-do list. So let's click on it and we can see now that the missing image is here. We can see what page that we were on. I'm using a desktop and Mac OS Catalina and my browser is Chrome. I don't know how many times I've asked my clients to what browser are you using? There's no need for that anymore because FeedBucket is capturing all this technical information. Together with that, you also have the screenshot here as an attachment to see exactly where the broken image is located. And yeah, I didn't tell you this, but you can do the same thing using a video recording as well. Again, without installing any extension or registering or anything like that, directly on the page, you click here, you can do with or without a microphone, and you can start recording your screen. And that would also show up right inside of Jira in the same way. So FeedBucket is a very good way to allow your clients and team members to directly from the website, without installing anything, just submit website feedback straight into Jira that is high context with all the information that is needed to directly start working on the task. FeedBucket can also help you to organize your client communication regarding feedback. So directly from Jira, you can now click here to add a comment and you type at FeedBucket. What image should we use? And hit save. And now, because we're using the at FeedBucket, we're going to send a notification to the client saying, hey, there's a new comment on that feedback that you submitted. Can you please check it out? If we now go back to the website and look under view all feedback, you can see that you have a simple to-do list of the feedback that has been submitted here. And as we can see, there is one new comment. So let's click on that and you can see that the web agency just said, what image should we use? Let's use the image of Brad as an example. And then I hit comment. And now you can see that this comment has now been submitted here. Let's use the image of Brad. So this is an easy way to also keep all your client communication regarding feedback inside of Jira. And once you are completed with this task, the two-way integration will work if you hit this to be done. The feedback has now been marked as resolved inside of FeedBucket, and therefore it's now no longer in the unresolved column, but instead has been moved to the resolved list. To get started, simply create a free account at feedbucket.app and connect your integration. Once the integration is connected, just add our JavaScript snippet to your website and you're ready to go.